Hi, today we're going to go ahead and take a look at example 7.3 using budgeting to figure out cost of production. What you have in front of you here in example 7.3 is a corn budget, and on the left hand side here you see operating expenses, seed, herbicide, fertilizer, etc. that have been itemized per acre. On the right hand side here you see some production data, as in 180 bushel corn crop we are planning on, and $5.50 price. We will be using that information as we go down to answer the following questions. First question is, what's our cost per bushel or break-even price? Well, if we add up all the operating costs, we come up with a total of $620.75 per acre. We add those operating costs to fixed cost of $62 an acre to get a total cost per acre of $682.75. When we do that, we divide our total cost by number of bushels. Right in the question it says, what is the cost per bushel? So I take my $682.75 and divide that by number of bushels per acre to get $3.79 cost per bushel. That's also my break-even price. If I receive $3.79 times 180 bushels, I will break even. And number two, what's the break-even yield in this case if the operator does receive the $5.50 per bushel? Well, it's a similar problem to the last one, except instead of dividing by number of bushels, now we know that we're going to get $5.50 a bushel. How many bushels do we need at $5.50 to cover our cost? We simply take our total cost and divide it by yield, or excuse me, price per bushel to get my break-even yield. My total cost was $682.75 divided by the $5.50 per bushel gives me 124.1 bushels per acre. Question 3, we're going to figure out what's our break-even price if we have a better yield at 200 bushels per acre. Well, it's the same cost, $682.75, but instead of dividing by 180 like problem 1, we're going to divide by 200 because of our increased production. Notice that our cost per bushel decreases. With the same cost, if we get more bushels per acre, our price or cost per bushel goes down. Number 4, what's the break-even price in this case if the operator produces 150 bushels per acre? So we have a short yield. Same cost, less yield. Well, what happens is the price obviously goes up. Cost per bushel goes up. Our overall cost per acre is the same, but yet we're producing less bushels, so my cost per bushel goes up. 5 is a great question. What if we want to earn a total of $50 above total cost? What price do we need to realize on our 180 bushel corn crop? Well, we just take our overall cost of $682.75 and we add $50 per acre that we want to have for profit. We end up with a new total cost of $732.75. Total cost meaning $50 of that will be the profit that we put in our pocket. Divide that by the 180 bushel per acre and we get 407. If we sell 180 bushels per acre at 407, we're going to profit $50 an acre. We have a what if question number 6. If the price of nitrogen fertilizer increases to $105 an acre and drying and storage increases to $24 per acre, what will be the new break-even price if the farm does yield 180 bushels an acre? Well, currently nitrogen's 86 bucks. The question was, what if it goes to 105? Well, 105 is a $19 increase from 86. So that's right there. We increase cost by 19 bucks. Drying and storage increases to 24. Drying and storage here is 12. If we go up to 24, that's an increase of $12. So 19 plus 12 is a total increase of $31 an acre. Our previous cost of $682.75 plus 31 gives us a new total cost of $713.75. When we divide that by 180 bushels, Our new cost of production is $3.96 a bushel. So hopefully this all made sense to you. Pretty simple math here, nothing overly taxing, trigonometry or something. But we just got to keep our head about and put our numbers in the right place. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to drop me an email, give me a call, or stop by my office, and I will do my very best to answer any of your questions. Thanks for your attention, and good luck.